Hi, this is Monster Restorer 91, and today I'm going to show you on a 2005 Dodge Durango washer fluid pump. There could be so many causes of a bad, like it doesn't want to work, like doesn't want to spray. It could be a clogged hose, bad pump, or a clog where it squirts right there. But you could, by checking on this, you could just blow it and see if air comes out. And this one too, the hose, if you blow it and you hear bubbles, it means it's not clogged. You just pop both out and blow on them. It could be a fuse, but normally it could be a clogged or a bad pump. Okay, in order to replace this pump, you must have a bucket ready just in case fluid starts pouring out. Basically, it's simple. You just disconnect this hose, just pop it out, and pop this red clip right here out, and then press it and release. Also, make sure when you get a new pump, I kept the original one because the new one was still dripping, so don't throw it away. Check first if the new one works well or not, or else keep the original one. Also, I had an issue with this new pump because it's from China and it cost me less. And the issue was, as you could see right here, rear and front. So I had to switch both hoses because it was spraying very weird. It started spraying both ways at the same time. So what I did, I switched up the hoses front to rear and rear to front, and the issue was off. Like, it was no issues no more. It was spraying how it's supposed to. So basically they did this pump wrong, but it did fix the problem. Like, just keeping it that way, and then next time I will not buy from China no more. I'll just buy from the auto parts, O'Reilly or AutoZone. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up.